time to show you the installation process. The Azdome M660 is super easy to install. You don't have to be tech whiz to set this up. I know you might be thinking, what's the cost, right? Its buying price is $168 and I'm sharing a 30% discount code here. The cool thing is that it's super affordable. Oh, what it offers. You are getting top-notch technology without needing to rob a bank. Also, I'm showing you all the settings to set up smoothly. With a user-friendly interface and straightforward instructions, you can have it up and running in no time. Plus, with the sleek design, it integrates perfectly into any vehicle without being an eyesore. Last but not the least, let's get a high-tech for a second. The M660 connects to your smartphone. You can easily connect the dash camera to your smartphone to view and download your recordings. With loop recording, driver can rest assured that dash camera is constantly capturing footage even during long drives. With top-notch coverage, stunning video footages, advanced night vision, built-in GPS and easy installation, it offers everything you need for a worry-free driving experience. The Azdome M660 buying price is $168 and I'm sharing a 30% discount code here. Don't forget you can find the buying links in the video description. If this video is helpful and you are looking for a smartphone gimbal, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.